The third use case for a HubSpot sales executive is lead prioritization. Normally sales executives are dealing with a lot of prospects, a lot of leads, some going cold, some are hot. Um, and in order to sort of navigate through that jungle, they need some way, some qualification metric to float the most interested leads on top. And with Cloud Files, you can do this using the engagement time with your proposals or the sales collateral that you are sending. So lead scoring and lead segmentation become very easy and very reliable. So let's check it out in HubSpot how this can be done. So first we'll see how this reading time or the different metrics that we have been seeing in Cloud Files, for example, downloads or views or sessions or all of these things, how exactly they can be used to float the most interested leads on top. So there are two different functions. First is the dynamic list, and second is the workflows. I can go and create some sort of a dynamic list where I can choose the Cloud Files file viewed event, and I can choose the property, for example, which file was viewed or which link was viewed or for how much time or how many times it was viewed for. So I can choose all of these metrics and I can create a dynamic list. And using that list, I can segment my all of my prospects based on who is actually viewing my proposal and who is viewing that proposal more. At the same time, if I want to see among those who have viewed the proposal, if I want to see who are the most interested ones, I can set up a workflow where I can use a similar trigger. I'm going to use the Cloud Files file view trigger, and again, based on the time spent on my proposal or the number of views of my proposal, I can update a certain contact property. For example, I can increase or decrease a certain numeric property, which might be my Cloud Files lead score. And then I can sort my contact in my list using that Cloud Files lead score property. So you see, not only can I segment my list better, I can also float the most interested one. And the best part is that I'm doing all of this based on the number of views or the time spent on my file. And these are the metrics that we start collecting only when the file is rendered in a browser. So these are much more reliable than using emails opens or email clicks. We all get all of those HubSpot notifications all the time about opens. So these metrics are much more reliable for doing your lead prioritization in HubSpot.